Balen. Welcome to Where in Pampanga. Alam nyo guys, madalas kung minsan, kahit gaano natin kamahal ang lugar natin, particularly Pampanga, naghahanap pa rin tayo ng mga ibang lugar na pwede natin bisitahin. Kaya nga po sa vlog na to, nandito tayo ngayon sa Malolos, Bulacan, and we were invited by The Grove Resort and Hideaway upang mabisita po natin dito. Tara, samahan niyo po ako. I wanna tour you of this place. Let's go! So from this point, nandito po tayong sa isa sa kanilang dalawang tree house in which as of now, pwede siyang pang, Instagram vantage view of the entire place ng The Grove. In the near future, I believe this will be available for accommodation and stay. Ano ba yung nandito? So it has like isang bed lang sakto dito. Dito naman kung saan ako naroroon, I think this is the center point or yung pinaka intersection ng resort na to. So sa likod ko guys, meron tayong dalawang villa readily available for accommodation. So the one is Magnolia and the other one is Sampaguita. Hi! You like it here? Aside from the accommodations, meron tayo dito parang pinaka pavilion. You can use it as dining area for your event. Actually, according to our orientation, dito po nagkaroon na ng birthday celebrations. You can hold your event here, this pavilion right here. Sa second floor natin is also good for dining. Another tree house. Ako, nag-enjoy talaga ako sa mga tree house. So yung parang mga child dreams natin noon, di ba? So I think this is a little bit higher dun sa isa. Alam nyo guys, kagandahan dito so The Grove, mga design ng mga facilities natin are native, napaka Pilipiniana. So this is a kubo, it's a brick kubo. This is also fit for dining. Meron tayong mga tables and chairs dito. Tingnan nyo dito guys, so Christmas na pala dito. So we have some reindeers assembled na. Pasko na guys, Pasko na, it's Christmas. And we also have some Christmas trees din, no? Finally, what is a resort without the swimming pool area, diba? So this is their swimming pool facility. I think yung size nito is from small to medium, no, not too big. Kagandahan dito, during the day you have this mango tree na nagiging shed natin from too much light or too much heat, diba? It also has this parang false effect, and then meron din tayong little slide, good for kids, toddlers. During the evening, this is how it looks like. Napaka-colorful niya and napaka-romantic. All the storms I'm by your side. Through days of warmth I'm by your side. Like the stars and the moon in the nighttime sky. I'm by your side. So let's talk about the address. Again, nasa Malolos, Bulacan po tayo. Your landmark will be the Barasoin Church. From there, 10 minutes, 5 minutes away. And ang street na po ito ay Caingin Moncada and Enriquez Street. Very accessible. Although may dadaanan po tayong maliit na eskinita, it's going to be a little bit tricky. But since I was able to drive that, me being a lousy driver, I think kayang-kaya naman po yan. As I mentioned, even if talagang mayroon tayong pagmamahal sa ating bayan, sa ating lugar, like Pampanga, paminsan-minsan guys, we wanna travel, lumayo ng konti, maghanap ng mga magagandang lugar din na katulad nito. So again, if you're interested to know more about this, we're gonna be including yung fan page or the number you need to call. This is in Malolos, Bulacan. Guys, Where in Pampanga goes out of town. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you in the next one. Until our next out of town, thank you so much for watching. Peace out.